Absolutely wonderful reaction from Bitcoin, exactly from the level which I have shared with you in the previous video. Right now, however, Bitcoin is in a dangerous situation, and in this video we will be talking about the technical analysis and also some insider informations which will help us to determine the next move of Bitcoin. This is very extremely important update, so make sure you are watching. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Salmo from my crypto paradise, and right now we are looking on Bitcoin at 4-hour time frame. We are at resistance, as you can see right here, and we are creating a lower high on the price right here. However, if you take a look on an RSI indicator on a 4-hour time frame, you can see that we are not creating a lower high as on Bitcoin. However, we are creating an equal high. What does it mean? It means that there is clearly a lack of bullish momentum, and this move is not sustainable to continue much higher. The probabilities are decreasing for the continuation to the upside, also considering this extremely strong resistance. Also, if you take a look at the volume down here, you can see that this whole movement, this upward momentum, was on a declining volume. As you can see, we are really lacking on some strong buying pressure at these levels right here. From a technical analysis spectrum, this is adding to the probabilities that we will need to have some kind of correction before continuing higher. The probabilities right here at this level to say that we are going to break through this resistance easily is very low. However, the sentiment seems to be very bullish, right? Somebody is holding the price right here because we can see that there is some bullish pressure, and if we take a look at the sentiment, we can actually understand that it is going from retail. Take a look at this. We have been at the bottom where I told you in the previous video that it is the buying zone right here where everybody was scared and the sentiment was at around 0.1. As we have pumped for that 10% right now, the sentiment is exceeding the price of Bitcoin. The sentiment from extreme fear went into extreme bullishness right now, and this is not sustainable. The bullish sentiment coming mostly from Reddit. As you can see right here, there was loads of talks that the Bitcoin correction is over and we are going to moon again. So because we understand that the bullish pressure is decreasing, there is somebody selling, right? Bitcoin is being sold not by majority, because we understand because of the sentiment, the majority of people think Bitcoin is going to break higher and continue this bullish momentum, right? But based on the technical analysis, we can understand somebody is selling. So who is selling? The minority. And the minority is usually whales, some institutions, and basically the big players, right? So big players are taking profits here because they have been buying right here. And we with Paradise Family VIPs are doing the same thing as well. We want to play it safe, obviously. So we have taken profits on our Bitcoin long position. As you can see, we have been anticipating that the Bitcoin is going to drop. Then we have filled ourselves right here at $58,620. And yesterday, because of the situation which I'm describing right now to you, we have taken manually our profits before hitting our target one, because we want to see first what is the next reaction of Bitcoin is going to be. Also, we have taken some profit on our altcoin token, which we have made for us around 19% profit. As you can see right here, we have been buying again the bottom and we are selling on spot for nearly 20%. So as you can see, in our opinion, the probabilities right now that we will not break through this resistance, but we will have some kind of correction. But how deep the correction is going to go? For that, let's switch to daily time frame. As you can see on MACD indicator, we are also having a bearish divergence. Let me share with you what I actually mean. As you can see, the indicator is making higher high. However, the price of Bitcoin have made from here lower high. And if you are reading our blog post and you are learning from mycryptoparadise.com education section technical analysis, you know that this is a hidden bearish divergence. When the price is making lower high, however the indicator is making higher high, this is confirming that there is some hidden selling pressure. And because because we understand that the sentiment is very bullish right now and it went with the price of Bitcoin up drastically fast. We understand that this selling pressure is not going from majority of people, it's going from the minority, which are the big players, right? So that is adding to the probabilities that we are supposed to have some kind of correction. So it is a smart thing to do to take profits right now. We are definitely not opening a shorts right here anymore, as we have done at 67,000 when we have been riding the Bitcoin price down to here. Also because the symmetrical triangle breakout target was already met. So being in a short position, fresh short position right here is dangerous. It's not a wise thing to do, right? What is wise thing to do is actually to place some buy limit orders, and I will tell you where exactly we will be placing buy limit orders, and we will once again get a help from our Fibonacci retracement tool. So basically what I have done right here, if you can see, this is a 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. What I have done, I have taken my Fibonacci retracement tool, I have placed one pin to the local bottom right here and then the second one to the local top right here, and as you can see it created a very nice zone right here, and it is perfectly confluencing with our major medium time frame support zone, which I'm sharing with you for months already. This was previously acting as a resistance, now it's gonna once again act as a support, because with this surge in price right here, which we had right here, again reclaim this major medium time frame support zone, and now it's probably time to retest it. And as we have been retesting it, if this right here was indeed the local bottom and we will not have any wicks lower right here, this was our A impulsive wave, and during this correction we should retest once again the major medium time frame support zone. For this to be a B wave, we cannot close a candle below this previous wick, so that is very important for your invalidation level. However, the most logic price action is right now gonna be that this is going to be our B wave, and then we will continue in our C wave. As you know, once we hit once again this descending blue trend line on a fourth touch, we expect this to be broken. This zigzag reaccumulation zone is going to be finished, this zigzag reaccumulation zone in which we are for around 2 months already, and we will create this C wave and continue in it probably towards around $77,000. Right here we will have some kind of D wave correction, as we have right now on a higher time frame, right? We are still in a D wave correction, however the D wave took a little bit longer to form, right? And then we will continue in the V wave, and this E wave is also going to consist from 5 impulsive moves to the upside. So basically what I'm telling you right now is the 5 impulsive move to the upside towards $93,000, which is within this one E wave. All right, so just to make sure that everything is clear right now, so I do expect that this D wave will finish right around here, and then we will continue towards our major medium time frame resistance zone, and then on higher time frame we will have once again some kind of ABC correction, and then we will continue in our higher time frame bull trend. However, for the medium time frame price action right now, it is important that we will form some kind of a B wave. So if this was the local bottom right here, we will need to form a B wave before continuation higher, and I do expect that this is going to finish around $59,000, something right here. We will finish the B wave at our major medium time frame support zone. It will also create a bullish retest of the demand right here, and then we will continue in the C wave higher. Obviously the invalidation level is very clear. If we will close a daily candle below $56,000, we will need to reanalyze the situation. Right now, however, the probabilities are the highest for this price action which I have shared with you. What is possible without breaking the structure is that we will have like a wick out towards this level. All right, however, if we don't close a daily candle below this level, it is still just a deviation, and it is absolutely respectable. It is not a problem in this volatile market. All right, so yeah, we have taken our profits with Paradise Summon VIP members. Definitely if you want to short right here, you need to have some kind of skill. The smartest, safest thing to do right now is just to bid this major medium time frame support zone. However, also for this is important confirmation which you need to watch for on lower time frame price action, and this is exactly what a long-term profitable trader needs. You need to take only the best trades possible with the highest probabilities, and you need to adapt that into your overall robust trading strategy. And this is exactly what we are doing with Paradise Family VIPs, and that is why we can be for years consistently profiting from this volatile market. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have enjoyed this video, please smash the like button, subscribe, share with your friends, and if you want to be updated daily from us, make sure you visit mycryptoparadise.com and join our free Telegram channels. I will see you there or in Paradise Family VIP. Cheers!